Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood log furniture design ideas which you can use as an inspiration to make your own pieces. So watch the video until the end and get these inspiring ideas. Give us your comments at the end of the video. Thank you for being with us.
What if the most expensive looking upgrade you could make to your home cost a fraction of what you think, lasted longer than almost anything else you could buy, and came from a material that human beings have been instinctively drawn to for nearly 500,000 years? Here's something most interior designers will never tell you directly, because it is not complicated enough to justify their consulting fee. The single most transformative thing you can do to a room, any style, any budget, is introduce real wood, not the laminate version. Not the printed vinyl that looks vaguely like wood from across the room. Real wood, and specifically wood in its most honest, most powerful form, logs. Actual wood log furniture and decor. The raw, uncompromising, this came from a tree kind. And before you picture a hunting cabin in the middle of nowhere, stay with me. Because what we're talking about today is something that the world's most celebrated interior designers, the most followed home decor accounts on the planet, and the fastest growing furniture trends in the United States all point directly toward. The return of natural materials, the rejection of the disposable, the move toward pieces that look better at 20 years old than they did the day you bought them. In this video, we are going to break down every meaningful benefit of wood log furniture and home decor. The ones you expect, the ones that will surprise you, and the one that most people never consider until someone points it out. And by the end of this video, you are going to look at your living room, your bedroom, and your outdoor space and see possibilities you have never seen before. Let's start with the benefit that hits you the moment you walk into a room that has it. The one that no paint color, no throw pillow, and no gallery wall can fully replicate on its own. Wood logs create a warmth and a grounding presence that is not just aesthetic. It is actually neurological. This is not a decorating opinion. This is biology. Multiple peer-reviewed studies from environmental psychology researchers have found that human beings respond to the presence of natural materials, particularly wood, with measurable reductions in stress hormones, lower heart rates, and improved mood states. The technical term researchers use is biophilic response, which is essentially our nervous system recognizing something it has been surrounded by for hundreds of thousands of years and relaxing into it. When you walk into a room with raw wood log furniture, a live edge dining table, a log coffee table, a set of wooden stools with the natural bark still visible, your nervous system registers something familiar and safe at a level below conscious thought. This is why every single person who has ever sat in a room with a real wood fireplace, a log cabin interior, or a beautifully crafted wooden piece describes the same feeling without being asked. Cozy, warm, like home. That is not a coincidence or a preference. That is hundreds of thousands of years of human neurology responding exactly as it was built to respond. And you can bring that response into your own space with the right piece of wood log furniture. The question is not whether it will work. The question is why you have been waiting this long to do it. Now here is where things get interesting from a purely practical standpoint, because there is a financial argument for wood log furniture that most people have never done the math on. When you buy a piece of flat-pack furniture made from compressed wood fibers and laminate coating, you are making a transaction with a 5 to 7 year lifespan on a good day. Maybe less if it gets wet once, if you move it twice, or if the hardware strips on the third assembly. The average American family replaces this category of furniture multiple times over a 30-year period, spending significantly more in aggregate than they would have spent once on a real wood piece. A well-made wood log coffee table, a solid timber bed frame, a hand-hewn wooden bench. These pieces do not have a replacement timeline. They have a generational timeline. There are families in the United States right now using dining tables made from solid timber that their great-grandparents bought. Pieces that have been refinished once, maybe twice, that look better, and carry more story than anything you could order online today and receive in a flat box. The durability of real wood, particularly in log form where the piece retains its natural density and structure, is not comparable to any manufactured alternative. It does not delaminate. It does not buckle. It does not become structurally compromised by humidity changes in the way that compressed board products do. Real wood moves with its environment because it has been doing exactly that for its entire life. And when properly maintained, it will outlast the house it is placed in. That is not an exaggeration. That is the track record of the material. So the financial calculation is not wood furniture versus affordable furniture. It is one investment now versus 5 to 10 purchases over your lifetime. Framed that way, the math is not even close. Let's talk about something that the interior design world has been increasingly vocal about, and that the numbers in the home renovation market have been confirming year after year. Wood log furniture and natural decor elements have a uniquely powerful ability to anchor any interior style and make it look more expensive than it cost. Here's why this matters. There is a phenomenon in interior design called visual weight and natural texture contrast. When a room is filled entirely with smooth, manufactured surfaces, glass, metal, synthetic upholstery, painted drywall, everything starts to visually cancel everything else out. The eye has no natural resting point. Nothing in the space communicates permanence or depth. But introduce a single piece of real wood with visible grain, natural edges, or log texture, and the entire room recalibrates around it. The wood becomes an anchor. Everything else in the space starts to look more intentional because it is now in relationship with something that has inherent visual character. This is why a mid-century modern room with a raw wood log side table suddenly looks curated rather than assembled. Why a minimalist Scandinavian space with a live-edge wooden shelf feels warm rather than cold. Why a farmhouse kitchen with a timberwood center island looks like it costs 3 times what it actually did. The wood is doing the heavy lifting for the entire room's visual credibility. And it costs less than most people expect because the material itself is doing most of the design work. You are not paying for design decisions. You are paying for material integrity, and material integrity delivers results that manufactured alternatives simply cannot. Here is a benefit that surprises most people when they first hear it, but makes complete sense once you think it through. Woodlog furniture and decor are among the most sustainable choices you can make for your home, and the environmental case for them is significantly stronger than for most alternatives. Here is why. When you buy a piece of furniture made from genuine, reclaimed, or responsibly sourced wood, you are investing in a material that required no factory manufacturing process, no synthetic resins, no formaldehyde-based binders, and no petroleum-derived coatings. Many of the most beautiful wood log pieces available in the American market today are made from reclaimed timber, old barn wood, fallen trees, salvaged river logs, material that would otherwise contribute to waste streams. Beyond that, solid wood furniture stores carbon for the entirety of its life. Every pound of wood in that coffee table or bed frame is carbon that was pulled from the atmosphere during the tree's lifetime and is now locked in a stable, solid form inside your home. Compare that to the off-gassing of volatile organic compounds from laminate furniture, the energy-intensive manufacturing process of metal or plastic alternatives, or the disposal problem of pressed wood pieces that cannot be recycled or composted and end up in landfills within a decade. The most sustainable piece of furniture is the one you never have to replace, and woodlog furniture with its multi-generational durability is, by that measure, one of the most environmentally responsible choices in the entire home furnishings market. If you care about your footprint and you care about your home looking extraordinary at the same time, these two goals have rarely aligned as naturally as they do with genuine wood. Now, let's talk about something that rarely comes up in conversations about furniture but matters enormously for how your home actually feels to live in every single day: air quality. Real wood, and particularly raw or minimally finished wood log pieces, has natural properties that contribute positively to indoor air quality in ways that manufactured furniture alternatives actively work against. Here's what the research shows. Solid wood has a natural moisture regulation property called hygroscopicity. It absorbs excess humidity from the air when humidity is high and releases moisture back when the air is dry, functioning as a passive humidity balancing system. This is not a trivial benefit in American homes where forced air heating in winter creates extremely low indoor humidity that contributes to respiratory irritation, dry skin, static electricity, and damage to other wood elements in the home like flooring and door frames. Beyond humidity, solid wood does not off-gas the way formaldehyde-containing pressed wood products do. The Environmental Protection Agency has identified indoor air quality as one of the top 5 environmental health risks in the United States. And furniture off-gassing is a documented contributor. Replacing manufactured furniture with real wood over time is a genuine evidence-based contribution to the air quality of the space where you spend the majority of your life. The benefits of that improvement accumulate over years and decades in ways that matter for your health in ways that go far beyond how the room looks. Let's talk about the one benefit most people save for last, but that might actually be the most compelling of all, particularly for Americans who care about their homes as expressions of who they are. Woodlog furniture and decor are uniquely irreplaceable expressions of individuality. Here is what I mean. When you walk into a room with matching flat-pack furniture, no matter how well arranged or how well decorated, there is a sameness to it that is difficult to ignore once you notice it, because thousands of other people have that exact configuration in their homes right now. The pieces were designed by committee to appeal to the broadest possible demographic and manufactured identically at scale. There's nothing wrong with that functionally, but there is nothing distinctively yours about it either. A wood log piece is the opposite of that in every dimension. No two pieces of wood are the same. No two log cross-sections share the same ring pattern. No two live edge tables follow the same natural curve. The knot that runs through the surface of your reclaimed timber coffee table exists in exactly that position in exactly that wood on no other piece of furniture on earth. When you bring a real wood log piece into your home, you bring something genuinely one of a kind. Something that cannot be replicated or replaced identically. Something that has its own history embedded in the grain, in the color variations, in the texture of the surface. And when guests walk into your home and notice that piece, and they will notice it, because the eye is drawn to authenticity and rarity in a way that mass production cannot satisfy. What they are responding to is not just beauty. They are responding to the story in the wood, the age of the tree, the character of its growth, the craft of the person who shaped it. And that story is now part of your home in a way that no catalog purchase, no matter how expensive, can replicate. Here's where we bring it all together. Woodlog furniture and home decor are not a trend. They are not a style category that will feel dated in 3 years when the design cycle moves on to something else. They are the material return to something fundamental. The recognition that the most meaningful, most durable, most visually powerful, most biologically comforting choice you can make for your home is also the most honest one. The material that human beings have been instinctively drawn to for nearly 500,000 years. The material that outlasts everything around it. The material that cleans your air, grounds your space, carries your family's story forward, and looks better with every decade that passes. If you are thinking about making a change in your home, one change, the one that will have the most impact on how the space looks, how it feels, and how long it serves you, this is it. Real wood, real logs. Real permanence in a world that has been selling you disposable for too long. Now tell me in the comments, what room in your home would benefit most from a wood log piece? Is it your living room, your bedroom, your outdoor space, your kitchen? Drop it below because I read every single one and your answer might shape the next video we make. If this gave you ideas, share it with someone who is designing or renovating their space right now. They need to see this. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we cover everything that makes your home more intentional, more beautiful, and more built to last. The next video is already coming, and it is going to give you even more reasons to choose real over disposable.